Hello friends! Today you will learn English with a beautiful moral story. It is about an old woman and her two pots. As you listen, you will not only improve your English, but also enjoy a story that teaches us an important lesson about life. You can also try repeating the story along with me in the same tone. This will help you practice speaking English more confidently. So let's begin. Long ago, in a quiet village, there lived an old woman. She was kind, gentle, and hardworking. Every morning she would wake up early, take two large clay pots, hang them on a stick across her shoulders, and walk to the river. She filled both pots with water and carried them back to her house. One of the pots was strong, shiny, and perfect. Not a single drop of water ever escaped from it. The other pot was different. It was old with a crack running down its side. By the time the woman reached home, that pot was only half full. The perfect pot was proud of itself. It often thought, "I am useful. I always deliver a full load of water. The woman must be very happy with me." The cracked pot, however, felt sad and ashamed. It thought, "I am broken. I cannot carry water properly. I waste the old woman's time and energy. She must be disappointed in me." For many months, the cracked pot kept this sadness in its heart. It watched the perfect pot stand tall and proud while it remained silent, feeling weak and worthless. Finally, one morning, as the old woman was filling water at the river, the cracked pot could not hold its feelings any longer. It said softly, "Dear ma'am, I want to tell you something. I am very sorry. I have a crack, and because of this, I lose water every day. By the time you reach home, I am only half full. You work so hard, yet I cannot serve you well. I feel useless. Please throw me away and get a new pot. I am only a burden to you." The old woman listened carefully. Then she smiled gently, placed her hand on the pot, and said, "My dear pot, why do you think you are useless? Do you not notice the flowers growing along the path on your side of the road?" The pot was surprised. It had never looked carefully at the road before. All this time, it was too busy feeling ashamed of itself. The old woman continued, "Have you not wondered why only one side of the path has so many bright flowers? That is because of you. I knew about your crack from the very beginning, so I planted flower seeds along your side of the road. Every day, as we walked back from the river, you watered them. For 2 years, you have given life to those flowers. Because of you, I can decorate my house with them. Because of you, I can gift them to my neighbors and make them smile. You see, you thought your weakness was a mistake, but in reality, it created beauty." The cracked pot felt silent for a moment. Warmth spread inside it, and for the first time it did not feel broken. It realized that even though it could not carry water perfectly, it had still brought joy to the world in a different way. The old woman gently said, "In life, my dear pot, all of us have cracks. All of us have weaknesses, but those very weaknesses can be turned into strengths. What matters is not being perfect. What matters is finding happiness in what we can give to others." From that day on, the cracked pot never felt ashamed again. It carried water with pride, knowing that its cracks had a purpose. It learned that true happiness does not come from being perfect, but from knowing that even our flaws can make the world more beautiful. And so the pot walked with the old woman every day, no longer sad but happy, because it finally understood that even broken things can shine. Friends, now it is your turn. To practice, try this method. First, listen to one sentence carefully. Then pause the video and repeat the sentence in the same tone. Repeat it 2 or 3 times until you feel confident. This will improve your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence in speaking English. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more English learning stories.